Hello friends, welcome to Home of Happy Minds. For the Dussehra holidays, I've come to my native place, West Bengal, for 2 weeks. This is the last day of the trip and I'm going to take some plants from here to Karnataka where I usually stay. So how to do that? In this video, I'm going to show you how to travel with plants. Come with me now. Now, we are going to take some stem cuttings from this beautiful garden. So these are the plant cuttings we have collected. We are going to cut this plastic bottle and insert all the plants inside. Now insert the plants in a straight manner inside the bottle so that all the leaves of the plants face upwards. And then afterwards, close the top portion of the bottle like this. And remember to keep the cap open for ventilation. Now, you will have to seal the cutting of the bottle with the sellotape. And now, you can just put it inside your suitcase or your bag. Let's see if our idea works. Meet you at the Bangalore airport. If you liked the video, like, share and subscribe our channel. Now I have seen that the plants are sleeping inside the bottle safely without being hurt. If you like this video, please consider clicking the subscribe button and also like and share this video.